quickly. Sawubona to you, sawubona to yours, from one great spirit to another. Nginguthulani Malev. Welcome to Ubizo. This is not just a show. It is a sacred sound stirring your bones. This is the path of return, the remembering, the unlocking. Welcome to the fire. Before the Vatican, before Greek philosophers copied from Kemet scrolls, before universities were built, there were prophets in the dust. They wore animal skins and divination bones, walked barefoot but held the blueprint of the stars. They were not primitive, they were profound. They were not poor, they were powerful. Our mystics, our seers, izangoma zethu, izinyanga zethu, the world then called them witch doctors, but heaven called them scientists of spirit. Izibongo zabaphansi azipheli, they do not end, they echo. We were never godless, we were just hidden. The colonizer could not conquer what he could not understand, so he rebranded the divine as dangerous, burned the bones, silenced the tongues, and demonized the drum. But you can't burn a truth written into the DNA of the people. Ukuthwala kwesizwe, the burden of a nation, became survival. We hid our power in plain sight, in lullabies, in praise, poetry, in healing songs, in cooking pots. Our language is encrypted, our rituals encoded. We did not die, we adapted. Our ancestors were not just traditional, they were technological, not of metal and wire, but spirit and rhythm. They knew what the stars whispered, they mapped water with drums, they healed with vibration, plants, and ancestral alignment. They time traveled in trance. Some of you think that AI is new. Our ancestors already communed with infinity. Abafihlakeleyo, they are not gone. They live in your instinct, in your silent knowing, in your inexplicable dreams. That deja vu, that gut feeling, that ancestral pull, that's them. You are not crazy, you are connected. If you dream of water, listen. If you wake up weeping with no reason, listen. If your heart skips when you hear drum beats, listen. You are part of the unveiling. Abafihlakele are rising again through you, through your art, through your voice, through your journey back to the fire. You do not need permission to be sacred. You were born from it. Great nations are not begged for, they are remembered. Therefore, children of Alkebulan, come home. You who dreams in tongues, you who feels too deeply to survive this numb world, you've been called strange, too loud and too soft. You are imfihlakalo, abafihlakeleyo, returning. Abantu abadala returning. It is time to remember that our ancestors were not just superstitions, they were spiritually scientific. To open your ear to the silence, to take your place as the bridge between what was and what must be. This is your calling, this is your coronation, this is your commission. Come home, mystic child, come home, silent prophet, come home, sacred scientist, come home. Until next time, okuhle, umusa, kanye nokukhanya ekuhambeni kwakho. Light, blessings, and mercy upon your journey.